Ooh, so gangster. The graffiti. Today we're in Namba, and first off, I want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. But yeah, we're about to eat some pancakes, a white chocolate pancake. So, I've never, wow, look at my hair, man. Wow. I'm an old man now, officially. I'm gonna dye it blue or something, I don't know. What color should I dye my hair? Ooh. A Mexican burger, cheese burger, fish sand? What is fish sand? I don't know, something I might want to try in the future. Dang, look at all this graffiti. It's gangster over here. The views. We have supermodel over here walking. And right now we are in, I think I mentioned it already, we're in Namba. One of the many districts of Osaka, Japan. So, check out the views. Wow. Nice. I don't know any of these characters. They look like Power Rangers to me. Like mouse Power Rangers. Bro, they got Marvin the Martian. Here's where we're going. This is what we're getting today. I hope it's delicious. This is their other menu. Looks like a brunch place. But yeah. But before I walk into this building, again, thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Hopefully we'll get to 1,000 subscribers in the near future. So I'm looking forward to it. And now for the grand finale. This is supposed to be white chocolate. A white chocolate pancake. It's about to be probably too sweet, but gonna try it anyways. She got normal pancakes with some sugar powder. And I got this crazy collab right here with the white chocolate and pancake. And strawberries. What's that, a blueberry, ice cream, whipped cream. Check out the artwork of this cafe latte. Nice. We got a cat. The aftermath. I'm full as fuck. All right, I give that restaurant about an 8.5 overall. Food was pretty good. Pancakes were not as sugary as I thought they would be, which is a plus. So, only problem is I'm full. Very full, so I'm gonna have to walk this off. Man, I'm gonna have to do something about this hair. This is crazy, man. Oh, okay, so I guess it's just the lighting. I mean, it's still pretty bad, but I don't know. I guess I'm just becoming an old, I do have to rebraid my hair. I guess I'm just an old man now. You can call me Uncle Jay. It's a big giant building. All right, so you see this building right here? This whole building is Louis Vuitton. It's 3 stories high. I need to get further away so you could actually see it. But they have a whole entire building dedicated to Louis Vuitton. Been in here a few times. Look, it's their latest design that I don't really care much for. But yeah. And over here they have a restaurant and a cafe. I think it's invite only, huh? Yeah, their restaurant is invite only. My hair doesn't look, it looks, I need to dye my hair. We got a Shake Shack. I've been here before, but it's been a while. And I forgot it was here actually, so. All right, so this way is Namba District, Tennoji, further south. Then this way is Shinsaibashi, and then further north is Umeda, where we're about to go back to soon. Looking forward to that. Now we're back in Umeda. There we go. Back in Umeda. Let's go.
はい、サクサクっとしたものなんですよね。はい、花で揚げるっていうのも、すごいポイントの一つかなと思います。そうなんですね。じゃあそれが普通。
Looks like a radio show. I wonder what channel it's on. They're talking about food. I like food. Very long line for this. Piece of bake. How clever. Very clever. Wow, look at all these people. It's a lot of people. Wow. That's a long line for some donuts. Time for a fit check. Air Force Ones. Nice little jacket. Got the bag going. So this place only exists in Osaka. Just Osaka, not Tokyo. So. And I must say it's very delicious. We come here all the time, so. I got this cake and I got this cake. All right, that's the end of the video. Again, let me know what color I should dye my hair. Get rid of this gray. Thanks again for 100 subscribers. Looking forward to getting to 1,000 subscribers next, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, about to try this cake real quick. Here we go. This cake right here is really good. I like it.